In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install the Iris shader in Minecraft. What you need to do is open an internet browser of your choose and search for Iris shader, and this is the website. Also don't forget that you have all the links in the description of the video, right? So let's start with this one. Open this link and select download universal jar, and once you have the Iris shader you should install it, but if you don't have the latest Java you should download it. So let's go to java.com. If it opens like mine, it means that you don't have the latest Java, okay? So let's open this website and select download Java for desktop. And once again, download Java for desktop, and let's install it pretty quick because otherwise we are not able to install the Iris shader. Okay, and here is Java. Let's double click on it and let's select install. Okay, and once you have the latest version of Java, let's right click on the Iris and open it and select the Java from here, and it will open up this menu. Make sure to select the latest version of Minecraft. Iris is selected, so let's press on install. And something else which you'll need to do is to download the shader. So let's type Minecraft shader, and you can go to Modrin because from here you can download shaders very easily. As an example, let's download the complementary, select it, now press on download, select game version, the latest Minecraft version, and now select Iris because this is the shader which we downloaded, right? So let's open the location, and right now we can open the Minecraft launcher, so we can add this shader complementary which we just downloaded. Okay, all right, and here is Minecraft. Now you should see Iris and Sodium right here. Let's go to installations and press on this folder so we can open Point Minecraft, and inside here try to select shader packs. Is this folder. If you don't have an folder named shader packs, just create one and name it shader packs, and inside here drag and drop the complementary, but I won't do that because I already have it. So let's go ahead and hit play. And once you are in Minecraft you have to enable the shader, so press escape on your keyboard. Now options, video settings, and inside here is slightly different because now we have the Iris shader. Select shader from the top, select the shader which you downloaded, as an example complementary which I downloaded, select apply, select done, and that was it. This is how to install Iris shader in Minecraft. Thank you a lot for watching, and bye bye.